sounds like rainfall on my skin, washing places I forgot I had. You walk into a room and the air gets thick, like the trees hold their breath when you're near. There's wildfire flickering in your eyes, and baby, I don't wanna put it out. You melt the frost behind my ribs like sunlight slipping through the clouds. You're elemental, the flame that licks but never dies, the wind that wraps around my cries. The earth I dig when I need peace, the tide that pulls the hurt from me. You're not a man, you're nature in its fiercest form. I don't survive you, I'm reborn. Your hands, they smell like moss and morning, like something ancient, soft and true. You don't touch, you bloom against my body, like thunderstorms that start in blue. Listen, my heartbeat follows your footsteps now. I breathe in trees just to taste you. I wake in petals and flames. I've become your forest, and you are my storm. You're elemental, no lines, no names, no time, no fate, just pulse and fire and open gates. No words could hold what this becomes. You love like rivers feed the sun. You're not a man, you're rain and ash and root and sky. I didn't fall in love, I surrender.